morning, guys. Alright, so I'm cruising down the AP Shield. My buddy Norm, he does PPF installations. He's pretty well known. He does a lot of Porsches and Ferraris and McLarens, and I see it all the time on his social media. I got my morning coffee, my Tim Hortons, and I got 650 horsepower to wake me up.
There's a software program, and the way that Xpel does it is that they have, I don't know, maybe about 24 designers all across the world, and these guys make the patterns, like they 3D scan the cars, so it's pretty, as accurate as it can be. They put it, like digitize it, then they cut it out, and they install it a couple times with different installers just to make sure, it actually lines up, and if it, meets their standards, they publish the kit. So any car you can think of, it's pretty much there.
I see, yeah. Pre-cuts.
And again, for PPF, it's pretty good. Like obviously for a stealth wrap, we're not going to use it.
I would have never been able to do this. It crossed my mind. I watched a couple of your videos and I was like, yeah, that guy could do it.
You know what? If it was like a Tesla or something, I'm sure you could. With this bumper, it's a little different.
Yeah, starting in the middle.
Yeah, because it's the only, like, I go by based on reference points. And like what I use reference points as is like little cutouts, a little
Oh, it's cut out for the bow tie.
Yeah.
So, alright. I'm excited to have this stuff on there and not have to worry about it.
Well, you know what? It changes your whole perspective. Like, you feel like you can finally drive the car, you know?
Yeah.
Not worry about rock chips or weird stuff.
The bumpers get beat the fuck on the track, right? Because the tires are so sticky.
Yeah.
That if you're following a person in front of you, they're kicking up everything.
Oh, yeah.
And they're not kicking it up, they're fucking launching it at you.
Oh, yeah.
So, like,
I remember,
you can see track cars, they're really chipped up in the pressure's on because the customer's standing here.
No pressure, man.
Are you touching the knife on the car?
No.
That's just freehand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because I was watching like that CK Wraps guy, and he does like the back of the knife is on the car or something like that.
I don't like that because you can shave it.
Yeah.
You can actually shave the paint, right? Like again, you get a feel for it, but I've never.
Well, when I wrapped my car, I'll tell you right now, my last car, I did cut it a few times.
Yeah, and that's why, like, you know, we're all human, dude. We do cut on paint as well sometimes.
Yeah, but it's a real light.
It's almost, yeah, it's a very sharp blade.
You're not going through.
Exactly, yeah. This is just better safe than sorry. Just do it in the air.
Done with the PPF. Norm killed it. Piece here, here. All right, what is up, everybody? We are back in the shop with the ZLE. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So I cheaped out. I didn't do the full race package, I guess you could call it. I didn't even want to do the PPF to begin with, but you know, I thought it would be better to get it done than trying to repaint this bumper in the future or something. So if you don't know what PPF is, or paint film protection, it's pretty much like clear bra, but it's a new technology nowadays. It's a lot better. A lot more user-friendly and a lot stronger. I've heard stories of people like getting side swiped and they got scratches and all that, and then they just peel the PPF off and it's a new car again. So it's self-healing. So like if I like put my fingernail in it and like dent it or scratch it, or a stone chip hits it and it's there, a little bit in the sunlight, and the heat from the sunlight or a hot cup of water will reheal the material, the plastic material. So he did this in a pre-cut off his computer, so it just pre-cut it all and he laid it out. There's actually a seam line right here you can somewhat see, and then there's a line right here. Overall, I'm really happy with it. I'm pretty stoked now to be able to take it on the track and not worry about getting stone chips in the front and stuff like that. My last Camaro, my 2018, had 20,000 kilometers on it, and the front bumper probably had to be repainted. I also got a little bit in the back. So this whole panel right here is PPF wrapped, and then right here there's a cut line. On the other side, I have a couple stone chips already here, and that's now going to be locked in with this PPF, unfortunately. 1,500 kilometers on the car, and I already got stone chips. If you look down the side of the body, the tires stick out a little bit, kicking up stones to the back. I even put these little splash guards on too. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy, but yeah, Getting ready to put the car away soon. It's starting to get cold. It's starting to get down to like 10 degrees Celsius every day. So snow's coming. I got the parking spot planned out for it. I'm gonna park it, put a cover on it, and put a trickle charger on it. And gonna be doing a lot more content in the spring. Probably a lot more track days and stuff like that. I'm a big track enthusiast, motorcycles and cars. Yeah, subscribe. Stay tuned for future content. If you like bikes, check out my CBR 1000 build. I got it going on right here. Full frame, everything restoration, powder coating, ceramic coating. Here's some coated parts already. Okay, thanks. Catch you in the next one.